Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet app, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Google Meet. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we click storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. If it's not working with you, you can go to Play Store to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.